me. But my swerve has stamina. Pistols gon' jam, blaming you. Can't understand my grammar, dear. Type of the dance time hammer.
Kill 'em all.
This libbity, gibbity, hibbity, hip hop. You don't really wanna get into a piss and match with this rappity rat pack and a Mac in the back of the yak backpack rap yap 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 kitty yak nap. The exact same time I attempt these lyrical acrobat stunts while I'm practicing that, I'll still be able to break a motherfucking table over the back of a couple of faggots and crack it in half. Only realized it was
similar to when a newborn with a booster missing and a new Porsche going through the limit with 2 doors, going to the ceiling with a huge horn. That blue you're hearing what you've born is true religions and new Jordans and Gucci fitteds, but a uniform that's truly fitting is a unicorn with a fruit addiction. You too corny like a superstition. You new dorks not cool with rands. You lukewarm.
Everybody want fame, don't nobody want change. Trying to take over the game, but you don't know. I've been writing a couple days, I don't have nothing to say, and I feel like I'm falling off, sick and solo. Know the rappers wanna talk that shit now and use the words in comment sections like a pissed out. Homie, I don't even have a minute to sit down and let alone listen to the garbage.
But my swerve has stamina. Pistols gon' jam, blaming you. Can't understand my grammar, dear. Type of the dance time hammer. Why they hating on my glamour, dude? They out of bounds like Canada. Jerk a big boy on you, show you my damn Canada. But yo.